Good afternoon, Kalol Carver. Tara, kain tayo. I just wake up 10 a.m. It's already 2 p.m. So, my brunch now. So, nagluto ko ng liempo para mabilis. It's only salt and pepper. Yes. Then, konting kung anong gusto nyo, basta walang something sugar. And I will also watching Low Carb Dr. Rojo. Thank you, Doc. All low carb doctors in the universe, thank you so much for giving me opportunity to understand the knowledge, the biology of our body. And I will show you my food today. So, ay! Ano ba inunahan mo pa ako, nak? Gusto mo ng egg? Low carb ka din, na? Low carb din ng aking Scottish cat. So, I have here liempo, and I have a probiotic here, kimchi, homemade ko yan. Ayan. And gumawa ako ng, it's only because little bit expensive here in Abu Dhabi. So, ninix ko lang siya ng petsay bagyo and chili and olive oil, black pepper and salt. And then I have here also olives, fatty acid, and berries, antioxidant later. And I will eat this first. I will start with my probiotic for my guts or something vegetable, any salad above the land, it's okay. Then a meat. So I eat also fat for my collagen. And a little bit carbohydrate. Actually, this is my me and my son food. So we have also extra eggs if we need more eat. So may mga backup kaming snack diyan, mga chicharon and nuts. Yes, di nawawala ang nuts. Nandyan lang. And last night, I'm late sleep, but off ko naman ngayon. So, I enjoy my off day with my cats, my baby, and later we go to school. So, pati, kain po tayo. This is correct your appetite. And you need to understand our body, how to natural lose weight, and you will see the miracle of the body because it's like a computer. No, we need to adapt the ketones, burning mode, healing mode for autophagy, and you will see the balance of our body, and um, correct our appetite, lose weight, and delaying aging. So listen to your body. Manifest, stay low carb, kain po tayo.